Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a boosted Mazda FE swap 1966 Mk1 Ford Cortina. Speed and sound actually featured this car, so go check the video out. This is just a short video of the car on the dyno, so enjoy. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. And there we have it for the Ford Cortina.
Old school classic.
Old school classic. Can't get. 237 kilowatts to the wheels, 355 Newton meters of torque at the 1 bar boost. I know you see 1.2, but yeah, don't worry about that. 1 bar, 1.1 actually, but you could say 1 bar boost. And if you made it this far to the video, tango. Yeah, please like, share, comment and subscribe. But essentially, please like, guys. Like, make sure to like the video so that the video can get recommended to more people, then I can get more viewers, and then I can start doing a bit more crazier things to the channel. Because I feel like dynos, I'm doing less and less of them. I want to start doing a lot crazier things, like car features, hopefully a build of some sort in the future. Who knows? But anyway, danko. Peace.